welcome to Chef Sean's Cooking Show. Today I'm going to tell you how to make famous white sauce. You can use this for burgers, tacos, chicken or rice, and many more. Let's get on with the video. The ingredients are 1 cup of mayo, 1/3 cup of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 pinch or to taste salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed, 3 pinch of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to put all of these ingredients into this bowl and then we're going to mix it. Now we're going to mix it. After mixing it should look like this. Now you have to put it into a container like this or into a cup, and this can be saved in a refrigerator for up to 1 week. Thank you guys for watching my recipe, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss out on any videos.